Okay, welcome to RGS Cooking with Alicia and Keshni. Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe of how to make a tuna salad. Okay, you can use this for your kids' lunch. You can make this as a snack for your lunch if you're going to work. Okay, now for this recipe you will need, I am using the light tuna in the tin. You need 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chili, mayonnaise of your choice. I've got my lettuce leaves here washed and drained. You'll need a bowl, a spoon, and a knife. Okay, now we are going to open up the tuna and we are going to drain it and then empty it into this bowl. Okay, now I've strained out the tuna. Okay, once all the liquid is out, you take it and you empty it into a bowl. Okay, like this. You empty it into the bowl and then now you can add in your ingredients, your salad stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my onion. I like to add extra onion because it gives it a nice crunch. But if you don't want the onion, you don't have to add it in. If you don't want the onion. Okay, drop the onion in and I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Like this. And then I'm going to add in the green chili. I'm going to slice my green chili up. The chili actually gives it a little bit of a tang, you know. But if you don't want to add the chili, if you feel it's going to be too hot for you, you don't have to add it. I'm just going to slice the lettuce leaves. Just going to add in a few more. You don't have to slice it really fine if you don't want to. And just give it a quick chop. Okay. And then you just add it into the tuna mixture. Okay, I'm not going to add in salt. I'm just going to add in a little bit of black pepper. Just going to add in a little bit of black pepper. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take the mayonnaise. A clean spoon here. Leave that aside, and then you can just mix your mayonnaise into the tuna mixture. So into the tuna mixture, remember I've added the onion, 1 green chili, and the lettuce leaves. And then I've added the mayonnaise and I'm just going to stir it up nicely. Okay, I've just got some dhania leaf which I am going to use to garnish. Okay. So I've just chopped it up roughly and I'm just gonna add it to the thing, and now this is your end product. I'm gonna show you now how to make your roll. Okay, I have my bread rolls here now, which I'm gonna slice. Okay, I've got 3 bread rolls. Okay, there's one big roll. Now I'm going to take the mixture and I'm going to put it into the roll. Okay, so there we go. It's a quick and easy meal and the kids will love it. It's a nice, healthy meal, you know. There we go. These are 3 rolls. That is what it looks like. Okay, this is the end product. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Your comments are always welcome. And let me know in the comments as well if you enjoyed it and if you've tried it. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when there is another video upload. And if you want, you can also comment on what other videos, you know, food videos you'd like to see me make. And thank you so much for watching my video.